Welcome to KeyWeb. You have chosen a web hosting plan and therefore taken one of the first steps towards your own web project. In this video, we explain the most important steps so that you can get started right away. After placing your order, you receive the First Steps email from us. It includes all the essential information you need for an easy start with KeyWeb. In a separate mail, you received your access data for our customer portal, the KCP. The KCP is your personal management interface for all products and services at KeyWeb and serves as your central entry point. The login for the customer portal are initially your customer number and your postal code as a password. You should change this to a new, secure password right away. In our customer portal KCP, you will find your booked products, the ticket system for contacting our support, your invoices, and much more. Under the menu item My Products, you will see your booked web hosting package. When you click on it, you will find the login credentials for our own server management software KeyHelp. That is, the direct link, your username, and your password. KeyHelp is a separate application designed specifically for the technical management of your web hosting product. With KeyHelp you can configure domain redirects, set up and manage email addresses, manage your databases, install SSL certificates for your website, set up cron jobs, meaning scheduled tasks depending on your chosen plan, and much more. Your web hosting plan includes at least one domain. This will be automatically set up for you in KeyHelp. If you already have a website, you can easily transfer your existing data, either via an FTP program or using the integrated file manager in KeyHelp. A separate tutorial on the file manager is linked in the video description. If you want to create a website, you can install a content management system such as WordPress in KeyHelp under the menu item Applications with just one click. You will also find a detailed tutorial on this on our YouTube channel. Now we have installed a content management system there. In this section, you will then find the direct link to the installed application, as well as your login credentials. Everything related to filling your website with content must be done within your chosen content management system. This way, you can immediately start building your new website, creating pages, adding content, and bringing your project to life. If you would like more information about the various functions of KeyHelp, you will find numerous detailed tutorials on our YouTube channel. Tutorials for our customer portal can be found directly within the KCP itself. We wish you great success with your web project and look forward to working with you.